Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. Anything that is confirmed, we're going to talk about this in this video, alright? So let's get the video rolling. Guys, before I start anything, make sure you subscribe my channel and share this video, alright? Because I will provide you good information for your phone and for your smartwatch, alright? So today we're going to talk about the release date. According to my source, they said that it's going to start selling on August 21st. So very similar to last year when you guys had the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus. So this year it's going to be a very similar date, okay? August 21st, you can get your phone on your hand. Second thing is, there's going to be white color, black color, and copper color. As you can see, a lot of like rumors. There's a lot of like copper colors, as in the commercial. So I'm very sure that there's going to be copper colors for most of the country. It's not going to be limited edition as well. So you can actually get the copper color anywhere you want. Doesn't matter where it's not a limited color, so you can get anywhere you want. So let's talk about the specs, okay? So according to the source, Note 20 is going to come with 8GB RAM, but the Note 20 Plus or Ultra is going to be 12GB RAM. In addition, Note 20 is only come with 128GB, but Note 20 Ultra is coming out 256GB or 512GB. So my phone here, I already used up 300GB already. So 128GB is not enough. But the good thing is they both have SD card, so you don't even have to worry about that. Okay, now let's talk about the camera. The main thing about the camera this time, they already announced that they are not going to come out with 100 times zoom anymore. They are going to cancel that. They're going to stick with the 50 times zoom, which is pretty good because you're not going to use the 100 times zoom. So the Note 20 or the Note 20 Ultra, they are not coming out with 100 times zoom. In addition, one of the very good news is, I always talk about this, is because all these cameras, they come out with dual pixel autofocus. So this year, they are going to come out with the dual pixel autofocus as well in the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra, which is a very good news. Because as we know, Samsung are very good with cameras, and this is one of the features they are very, very good at. Dual pixel autofocus is really, really good. Okay, they're really good at that. Okay, so let's talk about the battery. The battery, we are going to be having a 4,000 to 3,300 milliamps on the smaller Note 20, but it will be nearly to 5,000 milliamps on the Note 20 Ultra. As you are a Note user, you know that battery is super important, and 5,000 milliamps on the battery size on the phones like that is really, really good. This phone, it lasts me a long time because of the battery size is so big, and hopefully they are going to stay the same as well. So 5,000 milliamps that you're going to see on the Note 20 Ultra, that is really, really, really good. So the final thing I really want to mention about this is actually the 5G. Yes, they are going to come up with 5G on both phones. They are ready to have 5G on the phone. So you don't even need to worry about it. It's like, oh, is it ready for 5G? Yes, both phones will be ready for 5G. So this is confirmed. So at the end of the day, will you get this phone? I think I will get this phone. And according to the source, what I hear, it's gonna be a very, very nice design because they changed the design a little bit, changing from this design to something else. I know that they are changing a little bit on the design part, and it's gonna be really, really fast phone. So I'm not sure if you're gonna get it or not, but I will get it. I will get the copper if I can get it. If not, I will get the white color. If they said that they're gonna have a white color as well. So that's it. This is my video. Okay. Please subscribe my channel, share this video, and make sure have a nice day. I will have another video very soon on the Note 20, more confirming news. Alright? Have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.